Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today, inshallah, our lecture about teaching speaking skill. Let us have a start. What is speaking? Speaking is the process of building and sharing meaning through the use of verbal and non-verbal symbols in a variety of contexts. Speaking is an interactive process of constructing meaning that involves producing and receiving and processing information. That means you send letters, the other receive those letters and collect them as words and sentences and include them as information in their mind. That's what we mean by speaking. What do we mean by teaching speaking? Or what is teaching speaking? Produce the English speech sounds and sound patterns includes the following. Use word and sentences stress, intonation, and the rhythm. So we are going to use the rhythm and the intonation and the stress of the English words. Number 2, select appropriate words and sentences according to the audience, situation, and subject matter. Also, we have organize their thoughts in a meaningful and logical sequence. Also, we have used language as a means of expressing values and judgments, and use the language quickly and confidently. That's what we mean by teaching speaking. Speaking is a crucial part of foreign language learning and teaching. Today's world requires that the goal of teaching speaking should improve students' communicative skills, because only in that way learners can express themselves and learn how to follow the social and cultural rules appropriate in each communicative circumstances. In this slide, we are going to take a look about suggestions for teachers in teaching speaking. The first suggestion that provide a maximum opportunity to student to speak. The second one, try to involve each student in every speaking activity. The third one, reduce teacher speaking time in a class. And the fourth one, indicate positive signs. It means you have to encourage them to speak, even if they say something in mistakes or so on. You have to encourage them to speak. Give them time and opportunity to speak. The fifth suggestion that do not correct student pronunciation mistakes while they speak. As we mentioned in audiolingual method, if you remember, that the mistakes should be tolerated. And also in CLT. The sixth one, involve speaking activities not only in class but also out of a class. That means you have to give your student activities or homework to use their language out of the classroom. And the seventh one, the seventh suggestion, circulate around the classroom to ensure that students are on the right track. Okay, so don't stand in front of your student and speak. Try to take a tour in your class. And the last suggestion, provide the vocabulary beforehand to avoid problems in speaking. Okay, it means if you have any strange word, you have to hand it to the student in the beginning of the lecture. You have to give them a hint for the meaning, okay? Because they will keep thinking in the meaning and lost the whole lecture. Here you are some strategies for developing speaking skills. The first one, using minimal response. What do we mean by minimal response? It means understanding, agreement, doubt, and other responses. Also, we have recognizing secrets. Okay, is that apologies? Is that greeting? Is that compliments? Is that an invitation? And so on. The third strategy is using language to talk about language. For example, if I am going to teach my student past simple tense in English language, I have to use the English language to explain the past simple in English language, okay? And for details for these strategies, please just visit the link below for the text lecture. And this was the first part of our lecture, teaching speaking skills. Any information you need, you may find it in the description box. Any question, please leave it in the comment and trans to the second part for our lecture. Thanks for your time and have a good day.